All right, breaking news now coming in from the top court. The Supreme Court has passed an ad interim order to allow an unmarried woman to abort her pregnancy of 24 weeks arising out of a live-in relationship. That's the order that has been coming from the Supreme Court. That order has come from the top court, which has said which has in fact allowed an unmarried woman to abort her pregnancy of 24 weeks arising out of a live-in relationship. Let's go across to Meenakshi joining us for more on this. Meenakshi, give us the significance of this order.
Well, yes, you see, at a time where worldwide there is so much debate and scrutiny pertaining to a women's right to choose, the Supreme Court has passed this ad interim order to allow an unmarried woman to abort her pregnancy of 24 weeks arising out of a live-in relationship, like you rightly mentioned, subject to the medical board constituted by AIIMS concluding that the fetus can be aborted without risk to the life of the woman. So this is a ruling coming in from the Supreme Court bench led by Honorable Justices DY Chandrachud, who went ahead and observed that the earlier order in this case passed by the Delhi High Court looks like the High Court took an unduly restrictive view of the provisions of the medical termination of pregnancy rules while declining this woman's release that she had sought earlier from the Delhi High Court, and subsequent to that, she had challenged the Delhi High Court order before the Supreme Court. And also important is the observation coming in from the Supreme Court, where today the bench has noted, and I quote, "We are of the view that allowing the petitioner to suffer an unwanted pregnancy will go against the parliamentary intent, and the benefits under the Act cannot be denied to her only on the basis of her being unmarried. The distinction between a married and an unmarried woman has no nexus to the object sought to be achieved by the parliament," unquote. So these are very important words coming in. The buzzword here is unwanted pregnancy. And of course, in India, evaluation by a medical board is of paramount importance because this pregnancy is into the 24th week. But the very fact that the Supreme Court is saying that an unmarried woman who is having a pregnancy from a live-in relationship also has access to the same intention of the statute law passed by the Parliament of the medical termination of pregnancy, that assumes a lot of import.
All right, Meenakshi, thanks very much for joining us with those details. So an important ad interim order from the Supreme Court there. Shifting focus to Tamil Nadu now after 10